Today, we're going to explore how the TimeProvider 4100 system with the XT fan-out shelf can replace your SSU 2000 synchronizing supply units seamlessly to bring enhanced precision and reliability to your network timing. The SSU 2000 has been a reliable workhorse for many years, but as technology advances, so do our needs. Enter the TimeProvider XT extension system, a state-of-the-art timing solution designed to meet the demands of modern networks. First, let's talk about precision. The TimeProvider XT extension system is a fan-out for SONET SDH TDM synchronization signals E1, T1 and CC. As part of the TimeProvider 4100 system, it offers superior accuracy with its high-performance GNSS receiver and advanced algorithms so your network stays synchronized. But it's not just about precision. The TimeProvider XT extension system is built for reliability. With redundant hardware, hot swappable modules, and robust security features, it provides uninterrupted service and protection against potential threats. Transitioning from the SSU 2000 to the TimeProvider XT extension system is straightforward. It supports multiple input and output interfaces, making it compatible with your existing infrastructure. And let's not forget scalability. As your network grows, the TimeProvider XT extension system can easily expand to meet your needs for long-term investment protection. In summary, the TimeProvider XT extension system is an excellent replacement for the SSU 2000, offering precision timing, reliability, ease of integration and scalability. Upgrade your network timing infrastructure today and experience the future of synchronization. For more information, visit our website or contact our sales team. Upgrade to the TimeProvider XT extension system and keep your network reliably in sync.